Today we're going to talk about some wheels that we got from Bimmerworld earlier this season. They're the TA16s. We got them in 18 by 10.5s. We've tested them a lot this year, and we just want to give you an idea of how strong these are. So this wheel is a forged wheel. It's not a cast wheel. It's not a flow-formed wheel. It's much stronger than some of your less expensive wheels. You can save some money by a cheaper wheel, but if the wheel's going to get damaged, bent from you hitting curbs on the racetrack, stuff like that, you're going to end up spending more money in the long run. So think about it long term. If you buy 4 of these for $2,000 and only need 4 for the season, or you could buy some other wheel at $300 a piece, but you may bend 3 or 4 of them throughout the year and end up spending the same money, if not more. We have 2 sets. These 2 sets have been punished throughout the season. I did 2 days of qualifying on this set and hit the curbs, did everything. Wheels are still good. This other set here went to Sebring, the season opener, where we got a little out of control. We hit a couple of cars, bounced off a couple things, and like I said, aside from some scuffs on the outer edge, the wheel is still straight. All right, so this is the wheel that hit another car earlier this season at Sebring. Somehow the wheel came away just with some scuff marks right on the edge, but all in all, I say thumbs up on these wheels. Definitely something to consider. Bimmerworld TA16s. Very strong wheel, something we'll probably be using again next season. All right, guys, we'll have some more reviews for you. We have some stop tech breaks that we want to deal with, show you some ins and outs, some things that we learned. So we'll have a couple more product reviews coming. All right, take care.